There we go. Judges talking, critiquing the food. Cutting, chopping, all kinds of different methods. So it makes a barbecue challenge that much more interesting is the different techniques that are used between dry rubs, injecting, the way they cut the meat and prepare the meat.
Here we go, we got help. All right, help.
There we go, here's another one.
Yeah, that's got. I can learn. That's the best one.
You guys sitting there in anticipation of this next entry.
It actually feels good too. Hold on, ready? Oh, it's over. And it's over. Just by the cut of the knife. Where am I putting 9 or 10? Awesome. Awesome. Get both. Right away. That was amazing. Awesome. Get both. Show them first. Does that look like center cut? Yeah, both. That is awesome. Hey, taste it. Nice job. It looks like it might be pulled on the bottom. That looks like center cut. No, that's not center cut. No? It's rolled. It does roll. It looks rolled. Yeah, you rolled it. Like a robot or something. They rolled it with the skin on the top. They disassembled some of the skin, rolled it inside and stuff. It's ridiculous. These guys know what they're doing. Whoever this is.
I inspected all of the meat and I made sure all the meat cuts and I was up with all of them all night long, making sure that no one cooked anything that was
You should get that. Dad. This is so far the best thing. Just take a smell. It smells delicious. Oh my God. How many people out there you think are getting moist? Oh my God. He wasn't kidding.
Making you guys wait to the very end. Everybody else is already.
You know what I mean? You buy that. Oh wow. It's got that sense of tender. It was better than charcoal food.